Hi everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today, let me share with you how to make pork tocino. Pork tocino is more like your bacon, but it's a very much tastier kind of bacon. And I am excited to share it with you guys. Let's get started. And the first thing that we need to do here is to prepare our meat. And what I got here in my bowl is about 2.5 pounds of sirloin pork that I have cut into strips. But as it is right now, they are kind of thicker than what I wanted them to be. So I'm going to use my meat pounder here to pound each and every one of them into thinner pieces. The thinner they are, the better the texture of the meat and they're easier to cook. And I'm going to continue on pounding my pork here, and once I'm done, I'm going to show you the next step. So I am done pounding my meat here. If you can see it, this is how thin they are right now. It's less than 1/8 of an inch, which is perfect for tocino. And we'll proceed to the next step here. And over here in this big bowl, we will prepare our marinade. And to this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup here of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon here of smoked paprika. Our paprika here is going to give us that beautiful reddish color. At the same time, it will give us that smoky flavor in our tocino. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon here as well of black pepper, together with 1 teaspoon here of dried thyme, 8 cloves here of finely minced garlic, and then to balance the flavor here, I'm going to add 1 cup of organic muscovado sugar. Make sure that it's brown because brown sugar always makes your tocino a lot tastier than using the white sugar. And to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. And last but not the least is our 1 cup here of pineapple juice. And I'm going to give it a stir to give it a good mix. So when you make your marinade, make sure that you dilute your powder ingredients. So this one is good, and now I'm gonna add my pork. And it's time for me to use my hand. And what I'm gonna do is to really give this a good mashing. So make sure that each strip of the pork here is able to absorb the marinade. And at this point, what I'm going to do is to cover my bowl here with my cling wrap. So I'm all set here to put this in the fridge overnight. Hi guys, I'm back here and I've just pulled out my marinated pork tocino from the fridge. It's been there for 24 hours and now it's time for us to cook it. So over here I have my heated frying pan, and I'm just going to add a wee bit of the water on it. And this is to prevent my pork tocino to burn easily. And I'm going to put in now my strips of pork tocino. Just going to spread them all over my pan here. So my pork tocino here is cooked and ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm back here with my final product, my delicious yet simple and easy way to cook pork tocino. I'm going to taste it right now. I grab some small piece here. I'm almost lost for words there, but this is really delicious. So I hope you guys would give it a try, and once you do, please let me know what you think about this dish by writing down your comments in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.